Python provides a wide range of built-in functions that are readily available for use without the need for importing any modules. Here's a list of some commonly used built-in functions in Python. First, mathematical functions. Abs returns the absolute value of a number. Round rounds a number to the nearest integer. Second, type conversion functions. Int converts a value to an integer. Float converts a value of a floating point number. Stir converts a value to the string. Third, input and output functions. Print prints output to the console. Input reads input from the user. Fourth, sequence functions. Len returns the number of elements in a sequence. String, list, tuple, etc. Max returns the largest element in a sequence. Min returns the smallest element in a sequence. Fifth, list functions. List converts a sequence to a list. Append adds an element to the end of a list. Extend extends a list by appending elements from another list. Sort sorts a list in ascending order. Reverse reverses the order of elements in a list. Sixth, string functions. Upper converts a string to uppercase. Lower converts a string to lowercase. Strip removes leading and trailing white spaces from a string. Split splits a string into a list of substrings based on a delimiter. Seventh, dictionary functions. Dict creates a new dictionary. Keys returns a list of keys in a dictionary. Values returns a list of values in a dictionary. Items returns a list of key value pairs in a dictionary. Eighth, logical functions. All returns true if all elements in an iterable are true. Any returns true if any element is an iterable is true. Ninth, file handling functions. Open opens a file for reading or writing. Read reads data from a file. Write writes data to a file. 10th, exception handling functions. Try starts a block of code for exception handling. Except handles exceptions raised within the try block. Finally, defines a block of code that will always be executed regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. In Python, you can create tables of functions using dictionaries or lists of functions. Both approaches allow you to associate keys with corresponding functions, making it easier to look up and call specific functions based on specific conditions or inputs. First, using a dictionary. Here are two examples of creating tables of functions in Python. Output. In this example, we define 4 functions: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. We then create a dictionary function table that maps each function name to its corresponding function. By providing the name of the function, we can easily look up and call the function using the dictionary. Second, using a list. Output. In this example, we define 3 functions: square, cube, and power. We then create a list function table that contains these functions. We can iterate over the list and call each function with appropriate arguments.